Hello to everyone, this is Joanna and I am in my little new apartment right now. I haven't put anything in here and I officially take it over on the 1st. And this is my first foray into paying an electric bill. So guys, I am terrified, but I'm gonna share with you, this is a nice small apartment. In fact, this is an apartment that I would probably get one of my kids if they were starting out, but I do like it. And like I said, it's up the street from work. It does not have a back door, but it does have windows, and I do like that, but I am going to be kind of terrified being here. I'm going to be here these 3 days because I work. That way I can just walk up the street to work. And all I've done so far is brought in a bag that is going to a friend. I brought one of my pictures, and I brought me some little things just to take a bath with, and I thought I had a toothbrush here. So I'm going to Target to get the things I told you guys about. This is a paper that they had here just to have sitting here. I'm gonna need to get my little cleaning supplies. I couldn't pack over too much on the bus and I have a horrendous headache, but I just brought my little face soap, something to take a bath in, and I'm gonna have to get a toothbrush. I might buy some while I'm at Target, because when I go to Target, I'm gonna be catching a cab from there here to drop off the coffee maker and the shelves. The one shelf I'm going to put together, I might get two. The other one, I don't know yet. I don't really know how my pictures are going to go, or if I'm going to put my pictures up just yet. And this is a month-to-month lease, which I do like. And they said they do that in case something happens and they have to get rid of people. So I don't expect to be gotten rid of. I pray to God not. But I do like that these people are very, very nice. If I was to move, they would not lie like my current apartment would. And this area here is the, I guess, furnace area, which like I had in my other apartment. I do like, I haven't opened these up, but I have drawers now. And I got to make sure not to put anything heavy in there. And then this here is the under the sink area. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to. Oh, okay. I did not know there was a garbage disposal. I thought that was a light switch. But let me try to turn on the lights real quick. And I don't know what this is. I'm going to ask about that. I don't know if that's something I get to keep or if this is something they have in an empty apartment. So no lights are on yet because I might need to put some bulbs in, or I'm over there fooling with the wrong switch. Let's see. So maybe those are connected to the wall. Like my other apartment, some light switches are connected to the electrical outlets. So here's the ceiling fan. I will be turning that off. I don't have my ceiling fan on at home. Here's the lights. Nice little space. Now, this is the whole living room, dining room area. And I have my marble table that I sit at and record. So I don't even know how I'm going to do videos for y'all, but I don't know how I'm going to position. I'm guessing my TV is going to go up against that window wall and my couch and chair will be over here somewhere. But I plan on getting rid of those later and getting new furniture, something smaller for this space right here, which will probably consist of maybe a chaise lounge and a small couch or small love seat. And here's the stove. And guys, I cannot cook on an electric stove. Now I can cook, but I'm probably going to burn stuff up. So here will be where my microwave, my toaster, my coffee maker will be. I don't know how I'm going to position that yet either. I do like the phone jacks. I think here's a thermostat. Make sure I turn all this off because the electric is in my name as of yesterday. And like I said, I don't know. Here's the bathroom. I see I'm going to have to do some cleaning a little bit, which I will come back and do today. I do like this area though. I did not have any shelves in my bathroom. So y'all know that I will probably use this for personal care stuff. I'll probably put like my toilet paper packs up there. And while I still got my bad stuff going on, I will put my Playtex and Always and things up there. And I will definitely put out the stuff that I am using, like the stuff that I want to use up there. This shelf for stuff that I want to get to, and then these bottom shelves for stuff that I'm using. I can also maybe do something with that bottom space, but part of my thing is clutter that I'm trying not to have. And here's a little cabinet. I don't like this material here, but I'm going to try to keep that clean. I don't really put much in my cabinets like this. I'm trying to think if I've ever had a cabinet that opened up like this. I think we did in my first apartment and they took them out. But I will just keep essentials up here. Probably new face wash, that kind of thing. But again, I'm going to try not to clutter. And I am going to need to do some cleaning when I come back. I don't know what I'm going to eat either. I got this soap here that I brought in. I have my own toilet paper, but I thank them for providing some. And I do need to get 60-watt light bulbs. And I have toilet paper to replace where I'm at. I don't know where I'm going to store my towels at yet. So I don't know if I might get something like a little hamper type thing to store clean towels in. I don't know. But you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, that can be for dirty. Here's a little tub shower area. So even though it's hot outside, y'all know I got some creams that I want to use up that I break down in bath water. So I might do that once I get moved in. And here is the bedroom. Very small compared to where I was. And where I was at, guys, make no mistake, was tiny. It was not huge now. I'm someone that likes a lot of space and a lot of room, but let's face it, I am also at that age now to where if I had the big home, I would probably be turning it over to my kids. It would be one of those things where they could have it and they could sell it or whatever. And here's the closet. Now, this closet is smaller than mine, but I do have shelves again like I did in mine. And like I said, I'm in the process of decluttering things. So here's the picture that I brought. This is one of the pictures that hangs on my wall that y'all don't see. And I have these little hooks right here that I use. I have a Beulah's Baby and another one. And this is the one that hangs on my wall. It is on the wall where I am recording at. So I don't know, again, where I'm going to hang these at. I have 2 living room pictures and 1 photo that I put in my bedroom. And every time I've moved within where I'm at, they stay there. I'm guessing this here is the circuit breaker box. And this is the bag of stuff that is going to work to a friend. But I should have brought another bag because I need to take that bag back with me. I don't know. I have a lot of these TJ Maxx bags, but I could use a lot more. And I'm going to be out there today, so I can just go in there, pop in there, and buy one. So I like this a lot. I really, really do. And this is perfect for me right now because there's no smoking. There's no drugs. I don't know about the quiet. I'll find that out tonight. Y'all know that I love my quiet. Now, I'm not overly quiet. I just don't like when I don't feel good. Like where I live at 24/7, I'm guaranteed to smell drug smoke or cigarette smoke. It's nasty. It's loud. They start trouble. And it used to didn't be that way, but I'm going to love this. And the fact that I'm up the street from work, which my butt is going to have to work a ton of overtime because I am terrified. I hear horror stories about Vectren. Well, y'all guys tell me, especially y'all that live in small apartments and small places like this. Now, I'm someone who likes heat in the winter and I like air in the summer. And this unit is electric, they told me. So I don't really know what that entails yet. I've heard horrors on gas units. I've heard horrors on electric. So please, anyone, chime in and enlighten me because this is my first time paying an electric bill. I grew up in houses. My grandma, the one that raised me, my mom, they all had houses. So I knew light bills came. Electric bills. I had no clue, though, that you had to pay for trash and sewage and all that. I don't think I pay for any of that here. He's only mentioned the electric to me, so I will be finding out. But I'm going to bring some cleaning supply things. Some of it I'm going to buy while I'm out. But I have a ton of stuff. I just don't know where I'm going to put it at in here. But I will definitely be going through that body care, y'all. And besides the few pieces I want, I'm going to slow it down. I also don't know yet. I want a new bedroom suit, really. And the mattresses won't come with me, so I'm going to try to find something inflatable because mattresses are highly expensive. And the next 2 checks will be where I get some mattresses from because I'm really picky about mattresses. I don't like how much they cost. I think those should be regulated. And sorry you're seeing all white. I'm still just showing you stuff here. But this is it. I've almost taken up 10 of your minutes. I'm going to get off of here. This is it. Until the next time, everyone have a great day. And I will share what I pick up while I'm out.